Ngayon yung piece kakanta tayo gamit ang Magic Karaoke Plus.
I don't know why you say goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please on my knees, if that's what you want me to. Never knew that it would go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be the lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel is it real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we will be happy together. Never knew that it would go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be the lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay a little while, just for a smile of together. For I will show a place I know in Tokyo where we could be happy forever. Never knew that it would go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be the lovers again. Never knew that it would go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be the lovers again. Never knew that it would go so far. Why you left me on that boulevard? Pwede kayo mag-record ng kanta, pwede Bluetooth na siya. And kung ano yung mga request nyo kanta, itry natin kantahin yung new piece.
Magic Karaoke Plus from Amazing Product. Napakaganda nitong mic na to. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo yung gantong mic, ilalagay ko na lang din dito ang yellow basket. Kaya paano ang gagawin mo? Check out na for only 2,000 pesos. Pero mas maganda ma-check out nyo ito nung naka-promo. Almost 2 years na sa akin itong Magic Karaoke na to. And napakaganda niya. Hand carry lang to. Pwede nyo daladalahin kung saan. Kahit saan, anytime, anywhere you want na pwede kayong kumanta dito. Napakaganda nitong Magic Karaoke na to. And may speaker na dito. Nandito yung speaker niya. napakaganda. Pwede nyo i-adjust yung echo nito, na-adjust yung echo niyan dito sa mga ano. Basta marami siya dito. Andito nyo siya ma-operate itong Magic Karaoke na to. Kaya nga, ito lagi ang ginagamit ko kapag kumakanta ko yung from Amazing Product. Napakaganda nitong microphone na to. Thank you for watching Yukis, and kung nagustuhan mo to, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification below para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong vlog. And mag-comment ka na rin dyan kung ano pa yung gusto nating kantahin. Yung mag-request ka dyan sa comment section para kung kaya natin kantahin natin gamit ang Magic Karaoke Plus. Napakaganda nitong mic na to. Thank you for watching, Yukis. Bye!